Hello there and a very good morning to you on this Thursday morning, which is murky, mild and wet in places, damp elsewhere. Let's pick up on the bigger picture. We have mild air covering most of the country. In fact, overnight temperatures rose rather than fell. This is the cold front, though, which will deliver some sharp bursts of rain, pushing ever southwards with blustery showers to follow and gales in the north and the west of Scotland. And even further south, we'll see gusty winds with mountain turbulence, particularly across the Scottish Highlands. The air then turns colder across many areas into Friday, and it will be a windy day with those blustery showers merging to form longer spells of rain. If you're stepping out first thing this morning, very different feel to things relative to Wednesday morning. Temperatures are much higher, there's a lot of cloud around and also outbreaks of rain. The breeze also is coming in from a mild direction and it has some strength to it. You may run into some rain and also lots of low clouds shrouding the hills and the mountains as well as the moors. Perhaps some dry skies further east, even so still a lot of cloud to contend with here, and certainly temperatures will be in double figures for many areas. Now through today we watch as first of all this rain continues to push in across the northern and western part of the country. One or two heavier pulses can't be ruled out. Notice towards the west, this is the back edge of the cold front. This will bring stronger winds, heavier rain for a time and then clearer conditions with gales as well as showers. Elsewhere, just a lot of cloud as we head into the afternoon, outbreaks of rain which could be rather patchy in places before it turns a bit wetter for a time as this cold front clears much of Scotland and pushes in across Wales and northern England by around rush hour. But look at these temperatures, 13 or 14 degrees Celsius. So a mild end to the day, but also a windy one. So through this evening, you can see rain just coming and going, particularly across more southern and western parts of England and Wales. And even further east, you'll see some wet weather through the evening. Clearer skies and heavy showers for particularly western and northern Scotland. Also one or two running in across Northern Ireland. But by this point, we do have that wind warning, gusts 60 to 75 miles an hour across exposure. Expect gales and also that gustiness over the hills and mountains. Through this evening and overnight then, fairly unpleasant conditions with high waves associated with those gales across Scotland. And Northern Ireland seeing gusty winds and exposure even down towards the far northwest of England. Clearer skies into Friday morning, even some sunshine to start the day in shelter central and eastern areas. But these showers merge to form longer spells of rain, that relentless wind, and further showery bursts extend from the West Country, Wales towards the Midlands and northern England, extending again eastwards. So most places seeing some showery bursts, some heavy downpours for some, and temperatures taking a bit of a dive, 9 or 10 across the north, double figures further south. Here's your outlook through Saturday. Expect some rain in the south, milder conditions here, and some brighter skies in the north with 1 or 2 light showers. Wherever you are, take care. Stay tuned to the forecasts and we'll keep you updated on all our social media channels.